Well, we have our hearing devices now, and what do we do with them? How do we clean them? Let's go over some of those tips and tricks to keep your hearing devices lasting for a long time. When you have hearing devices, we typically want to make sure that we take good care of them because we want them to last a long time. The best thing to do is to make sure that we store your hearing device, if you have a charger, in a dry place, and you plug your charger into a wall. Usually the block that comes with your hearing device is actually your surge protector, so you don't need to put it in another one. You want to make sure that the energy is flowing so that your charger is charged and your hearing devices are charged. If you have hearing devices that are battery operated, you want to make sure you keep those in a dry place too. You want to keep your battery doors open, and you'll keep them stored in your box, in your case, usually inside of a dresser so that your dogs and babies don't get a hold of your little devices. Cleaning hearing devices is really simple these days. There's not a lot to do. Sometimes patients will come back and say, well, I didn't really do anything. And I think, well, how great is that? But at some point, we do need to clean them. And usually it'll be very obvious. So you can not only see the wax on the outside, typically if you have a device that has like a dome that goes in the ear with a piece that goes over the top. The dome is the little cap. If that part has wax on it that you see, you can take a tissue or a paper towel or a cloth, typically the one that came with your hearing devices, a little microfiber. Just wipe that off. You can do that daily. You can do it weekly. That depends on how much wax you produce. At some point, if you feel like you're not hearing anything from your hearing device, usually it's because your wax is blocking the sound of the device. That's when you would take the dome off, which is the little cap, and then behind it is a little filter that keeps your speaker box free from getting gunked up from your earwax. There's usually a tool that you'll use to remove the dirty filter and replace it, and you'll throw away the cartridge. At that time, you'll get the new dome and you'll put that over the top, and then you're good to go. Usually about somewhere between 1 and 3 months. If you have more earwax that your ear produces, you might be more monthly, but some people are lucky enough to where they might be able to go all the way to 3 months and just change it preventatively.